Ready, gentlemen!
I saw Busby holding this folio aloft as in triumph, and I thought, Lord be praised, it was going to be close, but we can still make it.
And when he came ashore, all he had were a few scratchings and some half-baked notions. He is frustrating to the extreme, obstinate, petty, and obsessed with what he perceives as personal slights.
Let's not forget, James Busby introduced the grapevine to New Zealand.
I was pleasantly surprised to discover he makes a very palatable red.
It needs plain language.
It is a legal document, a treaty with Her Majesty, and as such will be subject to the judgment of history.
I must say I agree with Mr. Busby. It needs flourish, style, elan.
It needs to be understood by the native mind.
At this point, I'm thinking even I don't understand it. The instructions from the Colonial Office were confusing, to say the least.
Well, of course, Lord Normanby's brief was somewhat ambiguous. It needs to be capable of flexible interpretation if it is to stand the test of time.
In one line, Lord Normanby acknowledges that the natives have sovereignty over New Zealand soil. And yet a few lines later, he suggests that they are incompetent to act or even deliberate in concert.
And how is this a problem?
He wants them to give their free and intelligent consent to this treaty, and at the same time suggests that they are incapable of such a thing.
Well, then perhaps we should delay this gathering of the tribes.
That's not possible.
No, we might never get them back.
So we should proceed.
Oh, there is no alternative. We must complete this treaty tonight. Even so, there won't be time to set it to print.
Less than 2 days to go, and there's still no treaty in English, much less te reo. That's cutting it fine.